What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2020 Nissan Pathfinder started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying no key detected, or sometimes it says key ID incorrect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my key fob and I'm going to start the vehicle as I normally would, but I'm going to use the top of the fob to press the stop start button. So press the brake in like you normally would. Then I'll come over here and just use the top of it to press the stop start button. And then you'll be ready to drive as normal, and you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And if you're not familiar with how to do that, how to replace the battery in the key fob, I'll put a link to a video of that in the description box of this video if you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.